If you have forgotten your PSN account password and can't log into your PlayStation 5, so you want to change it, then let me show you the quickest way to reset your PlayStation Network password. So if you're on your console and can't sign in using your password, what you can do is go to sign in with QR code. Then to reset it, scan the QR code using your phone's camera. If you have the PlayStation app, it will open the app. So we'll select sign in. You can also go to this same sign in page without using the QR code. You just need to open the browser on your phone or a PC. Then on the address bar, type playstation.com. And from here, tap on sign in. So now that we are on this page and we forgot our password, we'll select trouble signing in. Now select change your password. This will redirect you to another page from where you can reset your password. So just put in your PSN email account and then select send email. So now let's open our mail app. And from there we can see the email from Sony and it's about changing our password. So let's open it and then tap change password. Now you need to verify your identity by putting in your date of birth or any other verification methods that you have available. In our case, we only have our date of birth, so we'll select it and then press continue. Now you just have to put in a new password, confirm it and press OK. And as you can see, we have successfully reset our password. Now that our password is successfully reset, we can go back to our console and log in using our new password. It's that simple. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for more and I'll see you around.